Diego Martin, and I'm on my way to Blue Basin waterfalls. I'm here at a sign, waterfalls, right here. But the problem with this now, I've seen two roads. If you notice, you have one going so, and the other one going down so. So I'm gonna choose one. Okay, I made my decision. I take the higher part. So let me see what's going on. I don't know how up here does be, but if you notice here, I seen a barbecue pit. I don't know if people just be up here barbecuing chicken, and up here will be popular, but I don't know. I'm going along and see. Okay, to be honest with you, I feel I chose the wrong path, because I was seeing the river earlier, and I always believe if you're looking for waterfalls, you had to follow the song of the river, and not completely gone. So I believe I chose the wrong path. I'm going forward a little bit more still, and I go turn around. Okay, I'm convinced I'm on the wrong path. I believe I'm going into private property. So I'm turning around. I'm going back down the hill. Watch that sweat I bust already. Alright, I reach back down by the Y. So I'm going on the lower part of the road here now. I should already take heed at this little arrow pointing, so but still. Let me see what's going on. How things looking? They're looking are really on the right path now. So okay, I've seen a heavy river here. Let me see what's going on. Well, I know definitely on the right track. You know what's cool about going to this Blue Basin waterfalls is that the trail is just a normal trail. Like, here is really preserved, and I mean, check this. We're actually walking on concrete. It's not no hiking trail, it's just you're just walking to the waterfalls. So far, it looks like I almost reached. Actually here at the waterfalls right now. I thought it would be harder to find it. I thought the trail was hard, but there's no trail at all. It's just a walkway to the waterfalls. It's really nice. It reminds me of Anadale waterfalls in Grenada. Slightly different, but it's nice. It's really nice. Check it out. persons are looking for waterfalls here in Trinidad and Tobago, this is one of the easiest waterfalls to find. It's basically a walkway to get to the waterfalls, and so voila, that is the result. In my opinion, a very nice waterfall for friends and family to just go and rock back and line. Because, well, I see a carry bottle somewhere, like the person who finished drinking the carry. Check it out here. So I guess here is a cool lime spot for certain people. Well, I see KFC thing over here, and over here, well, I see you putting the garbage and thing. Well, they're trying to keep it clean and keep the nature clean. That's a very good thing. I agree with that. So overall, I love it. It's very nice. I always will be complaining about having a basin and everything, and check this. You have a whole basin to bathe. And the thing about it is not only just one basin, it's two basins it have. So basically I will call this here well, the advanced basin. That is for adults to swim, and if you have kids with you, well, I'm walking over to the other one. Let me go and find it here. If you check it out, there is a smaller basin right here. So your kids could be here with no problem, but still under supervision. So overall, it's a very, very, very nice place. I like it. Overall thoughts? Real nice. Very nice. And all because of this. That basin, nice. I'm gonna finish the cabin and I'm going down the road. So if you're new to this channel and you're now checking me out, please consider subscribing and share with your friends and family. A tour in Trinidad and Tobago, a liming and cooking, all of the above. I'm just having fun here in the country. Thanks for watching. Peace.